It is Tuesday, October 19th, and I am on-site at location at a client's home office, installing two new Dell systems that just came in. And here are the computers. Here's one desktop. There are the Inspiron models from the Dell, and here's the other one. And so I just got it hooked up right now. Let me see if I can get the flash going here. There we go. So there's the other Dell. And there's the other, right there. And I'm currently just in the process of removing all the junk software. One good item about the Dells is that they don't load up as much Dell-specific junk. There's about 4 entries here for Dell, but if you look at a Toshiba or a Sony, there's at least a dozen. So it makes the cleanup and de-junking a lot quicker on Dell machines. And so that's where I'm at right now. Just got it hooked up to their LCD television screen, and their main computer is going to replace, if you can see, that white desktop. They've got a Dell there that we'll be replacing with this computer. So that's what I'm here to do. Alright, well, I'm just hitting my downloads page, and I'm just grabbing all of the items that I need here. And let me just take off the flash on my phone here. So what I've done is I've removed the McAfee, and I'm downloading all of the tools that I normally recommend on a new computer setup, which is the CCleaner program, the setup file. Of course, my LogMe and Remote Connect for any future sessions needed, Panda Antivirus, the free cloud antivirus, Spy, Bot Search and Destroy, and Startup Control Panel, which allows us to disable startup entries really easily off the control panel. So that's where I'm at right now. After this, just installing the Office software, and we'll be set and ready to start working on the secondary computer we have right there. So that's where we're at. Well, just wrapping up with this computer, and I fired up the other one. And just going through the same motions, removing McAfee and other junk trial software. Well, this system is pretty much done. I've got the Microsoft Office installed. Turn off the flash here. And also the 2007-2010 compatibility pack. I've installed Office 2003. The Office 2007-2010 I totally do not like, and prefer not even use the Office system. Either what I would recommend is OpenOffice, or just using online word processing and app stock. Create a shared folder. Printing support is set up over the network with their Dell printer. And as far as the main system they have here, down here, I'm pretty much getting close to the point where everything's set up, but I have all their custom software like QuickBooks and Quicken, and just have the running logs that I usually keep for each service call. There's the first computer, this computer here, and this is the computer that, the secondary computer. List of things that I've done. It's currently installing Office 2003 here, and well on our way. So what I'll be doing now is transferring the data from the old computer to the newer computer, the first of the newer computers. So I've got the side panel taken out. Let me get the flash on here. And I've connected my standard hard drive to USB transfer cables. There's the hard right there, power, SATA cable, and ends in the USB. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Let's see what ports we got. This is still really new. There we go. We've got our start port here. Plug it in. And we should see the system indicating we've got something plugged in. It may take a second since we're also doing an Office install, but there it goes. Installing drivers, And so as soon as the detection is complete, I'll be transferring all of the files. Here it goes. It detected the hard drive as a drive I. Let me turn off the flash. And here are all the files on the old hard drive that I had just plugged in through the USB port. So I'll be copying and pasting all of the files from the old computer to this new system. That's how it's done. Alright, well, I've completed transferring all the files that are needed from this computer to the newer computer. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the USB cable. It has also come to my attention that the LinkStation Live ordered a 2 terabyte NAS, network attached storage device, has arrived already, and I will be setting up this little bad boy today and ensuring that any files that are on the storage are available online remotely to be able to be accessed. So that'll be fun. So off I go.